Hi again. We're back.
Yep. We're gonna put these carburetors back on.
We're going to put these carburetors back on. We found the mystery nail in the hole that was causing our butterfly valve problem, and hopefully we're going to button them back up and see if we can get them adjusted in and like be in the regular universe and not in Bizarro world. So here we go. All right, and just to fill the weird little nail hole that we were having trouble with, I found a little screw that I've tapped into there just to plug the hole until we figure out a more permanent solution for that. It does not come all the way through here to block off the butterfly valve. God dang it, I'm trying to open this with one hand. There we go. You can see the hole there. That's where that nail was coming through and hitting this. You can kind of see a little nick there on the plate. Anyway, all right, here we go. All right, I think we've got just about everything put together here. So we've got, go ahead and you can see now the problem we were having before. We had opened the choke and this one wouldn't, on the left, would not open because it turned out it was already part way open. Go ahead and pull that choke now, eh? Ah, levers on both sides are moving now. Turn it back off. Okay. Why don't you turn the key on, let that fuel pump pump up, and we'll make sure there's no leaks since we have those hoses off. Oh, we do have just a little bit of drip here. Hold on a second. Kick it on again. You hear the pump?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's not dripping now. All right, go ahead and pull the choke. Be ready when I be ready to kick it back off, okay? Because it might. So here we go. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Hey, well, it's not idling at 1,000 miles an hour. It's good. It's way out of adjustment, but. All the way off. Oh, turn it off. You know what we forgot to do? Fill the carbs with oil. We got to put oil in those dash pots. So let's try that out. Okay, we filled the dash pots up here with some Earl. Go ahead and turn the key back on until you hear the pump again. You hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think of that? It's not running away anymore anyway.
No, I don't have any choke on it.
It's still adjusted poorly. Yeah, the choke's all the way off, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
all the way off.
Another way to tell if the thermostat is open, the thermostat lives right in here, right?
Yeah.
Is feel this. If that's mushy, like feel it, squeeze it. It's like, see how there's, does it feel like it's full of hot water?
No.
No, because it's not. When that opens up, all of a sudden the water pump is going to cycle that hot water through here so that it can cool off. And you'll feel it here. Like you can you can feel it. You'll feel it. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Oh, there it is. And then when it really gets going, you'll see it in there too. But it has to get to a certain temperature before this thing opens up. Oh, there it goes. Right now. Yeah, it's pumping now.
Went down a little bit, right?
That's because it just opened up, and now all that cool water from the radiator is now getting pumped through there. So now it's going to drop a little bit, you know? Okay. All right, I'm going to come in here and look at that real quick. Where's our gauge at? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and kill it for now. Well, we're making progress. It's running like poop right now, but
Yeah.
we haven't adjusted it at all.
It's like the carbs are very in bad
They're
shape.
well, they're way better than it was before. Like you could, remember how this one was like hardly any vacuum, and this one would like suck your hand right to it.
Now they're
equal? Much closer to equal.
But
Now
we still have to adjust it using the unison.
our friend Buck let us borrow his amazing unison. This is a tool that's been around for like a zillion years. It's very simple, but it still works. And so,
It's got a little ball.
Why not?
This right here, and you put it
Mhm.
over here, and however high the little thing shoots up in it, that's what tells you
you try
like
to get
how
it
much
equal, but
vacuum.
yeah,
Or
you try to get it the same level
how much
between the
is
two cars.
blowing out or-
How much vacuum is going in?
Yeah.
So, but I have never used one before this, and so this is going to be a learning experience for the old man too. Also, for those who may be concerned about how running this car in this enclosed space, I made a exhaust dump a while back here that
The diameter of this tube here is the exact
yeah.
same as the exhaust
It
pipe.
fits right around the end of this Borla custom stainless exhaust on here. And so you get you get some hot car smell in here still, but we're not filling the room up with fumes. Okay, pop out here, let's try this out. The thing is, look at this. You can move this around to get it in like a spot where you want it to be. Are you guys getting a load of the old car smell? Yeah, leaning in there to get a little dose of the new car smell?
Yeah.
Gosh.
It needs a scratch.
Just for reference to all y'all who are watching, here's the temperature right now inside the garage. Ooh. Woof. Hey Nash.
What?
It's a Scorcher.
It's a scorcher.
It's a Scorcher!
That means it's hot, fool.
I already knew it was hot.
All right, let's try this out.
Okay.
Key on. Pump.
I hear it. Yep.
Yep. Hold on a second. We're pushing the. Okay, so I'm pushing the push. Hit the start button.
Okay. There we go.
Fires right up. Well, let's see if I adjusted that clutch. We put in a new master clutch cylinder recently, but it wasn't adjusted really, and so I was just barely able to engage the clutch. It was making it real hard to shift. So I got back under the dash upside down today and did that. Let's see if oh, it wants to go in gear now. Let's hope that I didn't adjust it too far the other way though. Let's see.
Yeah.
Brakes still are not great.
That breeze is wonderful.
Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? Showing it's really hot still, but it's driving better than it has since we've had it. Brakes still ain't worth 2 poops in a handbag. Ah, but the clutch is working though.
Oh, good.
Much better, much better. Man, but we're maxing out the temp gauge on this thing already. Yeah, we better not leave it out too long. We don't want to overheat it. First time.
Wow.
4th gear. Yeah, it's still like crazy hot. I mean, I was hoping that maybe getting some air through it would take it down a little bit. And for some reason, it is still. We still haven't done anything with our timing yet. So I mean, I'm sure that that's wrong.
So you put your hand out right for right.
I heard no. You put your hand out, pointing straight left for left, and if you go like this, that means right. Put your hand up. Put your hand down, that means I'm stopping or slowing down. And our turn signals do not work in this car, but hand signals are still completely legal. So yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, we need to be careful because the brakes are not that great. If I stomp on them, they'll like lock on right now, but they don't have any finesse to them at all. So, all right. Well, reverse. Oh, much better on the clutch now.
Oh boy.
I can't. I need to adjust this mirror. I can't see nothing behind me with it. That's better. When you're backing up a blind, narrow little thing like this, having double mirrors like that is a blessing. A lot of cars in this era just had one mirror on the side and none on the passenger side. So,
This one came with 2.
yeah, they look like they're factory.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay.
What fruit?
Very good.
All right, you guys. What do you think of that, Mosey?
That was awesome.
Oh,
That was awesome.
hi. Oh, I didn't.
All right, Nash.
Yeah.
We just made a loop around the neighborhood real quick. We got it up into fourth gear. We got up to about 50 miles an hour on the long straight there. What do you think about that?
That was great.
Yeah, we still clearly have
Many problems.
we still have a long road ahead of us, and we're still
We're making progress bit by bit.
Here's the thing, and like it runs, it acts like it's crazy hot. Like the heat gauge goes like all the way up, but like I don't hear any hissing. I don't smell any
Smoke.
well, you'll smell hot antifreeze. Has a real specific smell. You'll know it eventually in your life. You'll know the smell of hot antifreeze. I smell it all the time, especially in the summertime. But I have to wonder if maybe it's getting hot, but not as hot as maybe the gauge shows it being hotter than it is. Like maybe the sender is goofed up or something. I don't know. Or maybe it is really just that hot and it's just tough. So anyway, that was a good little jaunt around the neighborhood.
Yep.
And, you know, we're on to the next thing now.
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up. Woo!
And subscribe.
Wait, Moses. Ox Studios theme song.
Yeah, it's
No, Studios.
Ox Studios.